Okay. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Galileo Galilei. He is the father of modern science and the inventor of the telescope. One day, Galileo was in the mood of research. I'm in the mood of research. So, Galileo packed his stick as he goes for an expedition. But he can't find a place for research. I cannot find a place for a research. Luckily, there was a guy passing by named Hans Francesco. Pardon me, sir. Let me find a place where I can research.
Hello.
Mag-doggy daw sila.
While walking, Galileo introduced himself to Hans. I am Senor Galileo Galilei.
Galileo.
Well, I was named after my ancestor, Galileo Bonotti. He was a physician, politician.
Physician.
From Bonotti to Galilei.
Yeah.
Mr. Galileo.
Francesco from Florence, Italy.
Mga siya optimistic na ano. Optimistic kayo sa sir ko.
After their short walk, they finally reached their destination.
Here we are.
Oh, this is the place, Francesco. It's very magnificent.
But very bad.
Hindi naman siya si Mario eh. Mario Brothers.
Hey, something strange light over there.
Ano?
Where? I don't see anything.
Galing. Take 4.